A new phenomenon has arrived to re-energise the automotive world. It's the most technologically advanced Mazda ever, the all-new Mazda 6. This is driving re-energised. All-new Mazda 6 introduces a regenerative braking system that pushes Mazda's Skyactiv technology into exciting new territory. In a world first, Mazda has developed IE-Loop, a revolutionary capacitor-based system that stores the wasted brake energy of the all-new Mazda 6 and redistributes this energy reserve to help run the car's electrical instruments, things like climate control, audio systems and interior lighting, saving fuel in the process. It's smart, futuristic thinking, just what you'd expect from the team that brought you Skyactiv technology and Kodo, Soul of Motion design language. Exciting Skyactiv technology delivers better, more efficient performance while reducing weight and adding strength and improving safety. Kodo design philosophies deliver a stunning new car that embodies the spirit of an animal ready to pounce on its prey. All-new Mazda 6 takes the joy of driving to new heights. Expect exhilarating handling and performance courtesy of new petrol and diesel engines that deliver increases in both power and torque. And all this with less fuel. But how? Compared to other cars, all-new Mazda 6 is an energy conservation machine. Other cars use fuel not only to power the vehicle, but also its alternator, the part that generates electricity to run the electrical components in the car. This all comes at a cost. Up to 10% of fuel is dedicated to the alternator. The new IE-Loop system changes all that by adding a capacitor that captures all outgoing energy that a regular car wastes during braking. This recovered energy is cleverly stored as electricity in a revolutionary capacitor system and is on hand to drive the electrics in the all-new Mazda 6. It's about keeping as much energy within the loop, which is why it's called IE-Loop, and it's also how all-new Mazda 6 can save up to 10% more fuel. This is just the start of the all-new Mazda 6 story. iStop, Mazda's idle stop technology introduced with Mazda 3 SP20 Skyactiv and CX-5, is also found in the all-new Mazda 6. iStop cuts the engine automatically whenever the vehicle comes to a stop, reducing emissions and saving even more fuel. Then there's the sleek lines of the all-new Mazda 6, which don't just look sophisticated but reflect a commitment to aerodynamic performance that reduces fuel consumption even further by lowering wind resistance. It's all part of the Skyactiv technology that lives and breathes in this brilliant new Mazda. The new chassis, the new engine, new gearbox, and the exciting new safety technology all combine to provide the all-new Mazda 6 with that timeless, unforgettable zoom zoom feeling.